Hey there today, we're diving into the exciting world of investments and why you should start now. Are you ready? Let's go. Reason number 1, financial security. Investing is a powerful tool to secure your future. Instead of relying solely on your paycheck, let your money work for you. Reason number 2, growth potential. Investments have the potential to grow your wealth exponentially. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or mutual funds, investing opens doors to new opportunities. Reason number 3, retirement planning. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. By investing wisely, support you during your golden years. Don't wait until it's too late. Reason number 4, expert guidance. Partnering with a financial advisor can make a world of difference. They can help you navigate the complexities of the market, minimize risks, and maximize your returns. Reason number 5, creating opportunities. Investing not only benefits you but also contributes to the growth of businesses and the economy. Make a positive impact on society. What are you waiting for? Start investing today and secure your future. Follow and share for more valuable content, and if you from India, 2 best stockbroker link in bio and sign up for my link and 1 year start with 0 on Angel Broking limited time offer. Start now today.